Did you know that many of the world's most successful business leaders, including Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, did not have formal finance backgrounds? Yet understanding financial concepts became crucial to their success in building and managing their companies. In today's business environment, organizations where non-finance professionals lack basic financial acumen often struggle with cross-functional collaboration and decision-making. Managers and executives without financial knowledge may face challenges in understanding financial reports, struggle with budget management, or make decisions without fully grasping their financial implications. This can result in poor resource allocation, missed opportunities for cost savings, and decreased overall business performance. At the individual level, non-finance professionals may feel intimidated by financial jargon, struggle to contribute meaningfully to financial discussions, or face difficulties in making a business case for their initiatives. This can lead to reduced influence in decision-making processes and limited career progression. This tailored finance course comes to the rescue by providing non-finance professionals with a solid foundation in key financial concepts and their practical applications in business. It equips participants with the financial knowledge and skills needed to make informed business decisions and communicate effectively with finance teams. By taking this course, individuals will gain a clear understanding of financial statements, budgeting principles, financial performance metrics, and basic financial analysis techniques. They'll learn to interpret financial reports, understand the financial implications of business decisions, and speak the language of finance confidently. The impact on organizations can be significant. With non-finance professionals equipped with financial knowledge, companies can expect improved cross-functional collaboration, better informed decision-making at all levels, and enhanced ability to align departmental goals with overall financial objectives. This leads to more efficient resource utilization, improved financial performance, and a stronger finance-oriented culture across the organization. At the personal level, non-finance professionals will become more confident in dealing with financial aspects of their roles. They'll be able to contribute more effectively to financial discussions, make stronger business cases for their initiatives, and enhance their value to the organization. This newfound financial acumen can lead to career advancement opportunities and increased effectiveness in leadership roles. Don't let a lack of financial knowledge limit your professional potential. Empower yourself and your non-finance teams with the essential financial skills needed in today's business world. Enroll in this finance course for non-finance professionals today and take a crucial step towards becoming a more well-rounded and effective business professional.